Lemon water has some amazing benefits, and we're gonna talk about what would happen if you were to drink it for 14 days straight. And you know what I really love about this topic is that it is so easy to implement. You could start today, cut a lemon in half, squeeze it in your water, and you're gonna start getting some of these amazing benefits we're about to talk about. I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. Let's go ahead and first talk about your gut health and how drinking lemon water before meals is going to improve your gut health. Now, if you're somebody who deals with bloating, indigestion, or you have a hard time breaking down your food, the good news for you is that just simply drinking lemon water will actually support the hydrochloric acid process within the stomach, which will help reverse many of these different symptoms that I just mentioned. Now, if you're somebody who eats meat and proteins and you find that it sits really heavy in your stomach, or you eat leafy greens and you don't digest them properly, then that typically means that you have a hydrochloric acid problem, or if you had those symptoms I mentioned of gas, bloating, and indigestion, then you're gonna really get the benefit of drinking the lemon water prior to a meal so that this doesn't happen. Let's talk about weight loss, because who doesn't want some weight loss right now? Well, there's some interesting research that shows that the pectin and polyphenols in the lemon water does two things. One, it supports the insulin and blood sugar interaction, which is very important for losing weight, but also it suppresses your appetite. So if you go the whole day eating less food because you woke up and drank lemon water in the morning, then this is really good, because what's going to happen is you'll create a calorie deficit, you'll start losing weight. So you could drink lemon water once again before meals or first thing in the morning to get that benefit. Did you know that the food that your body burns for energy will be the predetermining factor in whether or not you have poor metabolic health? If you're always burning carbs for energy instead of fat, over time, this leads to insulin resistance. But how would you know what your body is using as a fuel source? Well, I have the answer for you. Over the last few months, I've been using a tool called Lumen. This at-home tracking device allows me to tell in real time whether I'm burning fat or carbs for energy simply by breathing into it. Using Lumen, I'm able to track how my diet or exercise affect how my metabolism is functioning. I personally like using Lumen to monitor when my body switches to using fat for energy when I'm intermittent fasting. I love using Lumen to see how metabolically flexible I am, and I think you will too. Lumen is truly the gold standard metabolic tracker and is actually validated by research, which is why I recommend it to my patients or anyone looking to measurably improve their health. So if you want to take the next step in improving your health, go to lumen.me/DRZ15 to get 15% off your very own Lumen. That's lumen.me/DRZ15 to save 15% off your purchase. Thank you, Lumen, for sponsoring this video. Let's talk about aging. There was a really interesting study that was in the Science of Food and Agriculture. And what they basically found is that because of the really high antioxidant properties that is in lemon water, it is going to fight off the free radicals, which is the primary driver of aging. So if you want anti-aging, essentially what you want to do is you want to feel better. You want to have less pain and discomfort. You want to have healthy joints. You also want to have good looking skin. So when people look at you, they go, oh, they're not full of fine lines and wrinkles and sagging skin. So therefore, if you're drinking lemon water, it fights the free radicals, and therefore you're going to look a little bit better. Skin health is also really important, especially in the aging process. There was an interesting study in the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, and what they found is that the plant-derived compounds that are associated with lemon water are going to be responsible for reversing the collagen breakdown. Now, we just talked about skin, sagging skin, fine lines, wrinkles. This all has to do with aging due to a lack of proper collagen, which is just normal for aging. But if we want to look younger, if we support that collagen process, that's really good. Lemon water is going to do that for you. Looking at detox, this is a big one. There was an interesting study in the Environmental Science and Pollution Research, and what they found is that lemon water is actually going to have citric acid citrate in it, which is going to protect you from heavy metals. It'll support the detoxing of heavy metals. And as you know, heavy metals are in so many things that we've come in contact with today. They're very toxic for our body. We got to get them out. The lemon water supports detoxing them. And then this leads us to your liver, which is also very important for detoxing. Now, if we want to protect our liver, there was an interesting study showing that the lemon water has hesperidin in it, and hesperidin is going to help protect your liver from damage whenever it comes in contact with environmental pollutants. So we're gonna get that liver support there. Now, it's gonna help with our energy, and one of the ways that your lemon water is gonna help with energy is just helping to balance your electrolytes, helping to balance your pH, and this is gonna be really powerful, especially first thing in the morning. So big fan of using lemon water to just get you going in the morning. And you know what? If you're someone who wakes up and you drink coffee first thing in the morning, you're going to find that, well, if you go and drink some lemon water, you are going to feel so much better, because not only are you going to be hydrated, and you could sprinkle a little bit of sea salt into your lemon water, you're going to be hydrated, you're going to have some better and more balanced electrolytes and pH, and also that's going to give you that energy boost that you've always wanted, and you're not going to have to rely on caffeine for it. Now, the other thing about lemon water, which is a huge factor, which I haven't even talked about, is that there's around 30 to 40 milligrams of vitamin C in a lemon. Now, this is really awesome, because what you can actually do is use that lemon to give you a boost in vitamin C, which supports immune health, cardiovascular health. It's very important in protecting you from cancer, from free radicals, from inflammation in your body, and so much more. And we even know that your vitamin C is going to support your skin health and the aging process. So when we look to lemon water, it is a huge win. And if you use it for just 14 days, you're going to start feeling better. You're going to start noticing changes in your body. And as we mentioned before, some of the best times to drink it: first thing in the morning when you wake up. This is before coffee, tea, or anything else. And then also before a meal. That's how you're going to get the most benefit, and that's how you're going to thrive. I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and also be sure to check out this video over here next.